What's up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little notification bell, that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. So in today's video, I am bringing you a huge Ulta haul. Now I've gotten these products like two and a half, maybe 3 months ago, but I'm finally sitting down to film the haul for anybody who cares to see what I pick up from Ulta. I'm going to start off with kind of telling you a little bit about the Sonic Smooth True Sonic Demaplaning System, and this is by Michael Todd. It looks like this. I picked this up last year. It is $99, but for $100 you get this rechargeable system that helps take peach fuzz off of your face. This will not work for males. This will only work for females. So dermaplaning helps remove the top layer of dead skin and you know, peach fuzz or any hair growth that women have on their face. I even use it like after I use it on my face, because you can only use the blades one time. So after I use the blade, if I need to touch up, you know, the hair on my arm a little bit, I'll go ahead and shave that. It will not make your hair grow back any faster or anything. If you guys want a full video on this, I will make a full video on it. So I wanted to show you that because I wanted to show you guys that I picked up another box of the refillable blades that you can purchase for, I think, 29 bucks, and if you get it on sale you can purchase it even cheaper. But this will last you the whole year if you don't have a lot of facial hair growth or anything. I picked up 2 of these Soap and Glory breakfast scrubs. Well, one is the breakfast scrub and one is the summer scrubbing, and they look like this. And I've actually had these before. I had this one before and I just finished this one up, and it smells like a coffee scrub or something. It smells like coffee and like syrup and just everything good. And the summer scrubbing one is a little more watery in texture. That one smells like Kool-Aid or something, like tropical smoothie Kool-Aid. Smells really, really good. Then I also got these 2 body scrubs from Treehut, and one is the Coco Colada and one is the Shea Sugar Scrub Tropical Mango. I also picked up the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash and the Origins GinZing Refreshing Scrub Cleanser because I needed these. I decided to pick up this Philosophy Ultra Light Moisturizing Lotion. It looks like this. And then I also picked up this lip scrub from Treehut, and it's a teeny tiny lip scrub. It looks like that. Actually, if I known it was going to be this small, I probably wouldn't have purchased it. Yeah, because I just think that why would you make a lip scrub that small? Like, people's lips are bigger than the lip scrub itself. I also needed just 2 regular schmegular old pencil liners, black pencil liners for my waterline. So I picked up these, and this is by the brand LA Girl. Also, everybody and their mama keep telling me about this Maybelline Age Rewind what do you call it, concealer right here, and mine is in the shade golden. Looks like that, and I cannot wait to use this because I've been hearing nothing but good things about this as well. I think I got like some money from Christmas. I think I got If you guys love catching Ulta sales, please remember to comment down below and tell me what are your favorite things to get from there. Also, let me know if you will want a full video on the dermaplaning system. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, my dolls, and until next time, hasta luego.